Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about food. Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about food. There are so many different foods. Bread. Well done. Cheese. Yeah, that's it. Cheese. Pasta. Rice. Eggs. Fish. Meat. Sandwich. Pizza. Chips. Chocolate. Sweets. Cake. Ice cream. Let's go over them all over again for a minute. Bread. Cheese. Pasta. Rice. Eggs. Fish. Meat. Sandwich. Pizza. Fish. Meat. Sandwich. Pizza. Chips. Chocolate. Sweets. Cake. And ice cream. Now, if you look, תסתכלו, look on your table. תסתכלו על השולחן שלכם. לכל אחד יש על השולחן פריט של אוכל. Everyone has on his table one piece of food. I would like you to please show me, תראו לי, the food that you have on your table. תראו לי בבקשה את האוכל שיש על השולחן שלכם. So, מי יכול להראות לי? Who can show me? Where is the rice? Where is the rice? Well done. Here is the rice. Who can show me where the pizza is? Where is the pizza? Well done. This is the pizza. Please stand up. If לעמוד, if you have, אם יש לכם cake on your table. אם יש לכם cake, if you have a cake on your table. Well done. This is the cake. Please stand up if you have an ice cream on your table. Who has ice cream on their table? Ice cream. Well done. Stand up if you have chips on your table. Chips. Well done, this is chips. Who has meat on their table? This is meat. Who has bread on their table? Bread. Excellent, bread. And who has sweets on their table? Sweets. Well done, everyone.